Hi everyone, it's Jenny here from Beyond Skin Clinic, and I wanted to talk to you today about stress and the effects that stress and anxiety can have on your skin, and what we can do to minimize that. So, a study last month said that 4 million women have commented that they feel the stress and anxiety of the past 12 months has caused them to age prematurely by at least 5 years. That is significant. Aging is a natural process. It's going to happen to us all, but there's no reason why we should be aging prematurely. So there's lots of things that we can do to keep our skin really healthy. Certainly, one of the first things to look at is getting into really good routines, looking after our skin with the right kind of ingredients. So thinking about vitamins, peptides, antioxidants, protecting our skin from the sun, and making sure our skin gets all the things that it needs to stay healthy and to make sure that our skin cells are functioning as they should. If you are starting to notice the effects of stress, such as fine lines and wrinkles, or maybe sagging skin, there are lots of treatments that we can talk about that can help you to combat that as well. So this is a good time to think about those kind of treatments now. The clinic isn't open yet for in-clinic treatments, but there's lots we can do to prepare our skin so that when we do come to have treatments, they are going to be that bit more effective and have longer lasting results. Specifically, one of the areas that can be really difficult to treat is the eyes. And I think at the moment, well, certainly for me, I'm noticing the effects of stress so much more on my eyes than anywhere else. I think it's because I'm looking at screens so much more. My eyes are being strained, so the fine lines are starting to creep in. As well, just because I'm wearing a mask so much more, I'm having to use my eyes to be more expressive. So the eyes as well are such a tricky area to treat because the skin around the eyes is so delicate and it requires a different level of care. So when we're choosing products for the eyes, we do have to choose really specific products. We can't use the same products that we use on the rest of our face because they're too rich, too heavy for that delicate eye area. Um, One of the best treatments that we offer in the clinic for the eye area is the EndyBlef, delivered through the EndyMed platform. So it's basically a non-surgical eye lift, a non-invasive way to combat things like fine lines, wrinkles, a sagging hair, or like a hooding on the eyelid. And it's great because the treatment covers like this whole area, right up to the eyebrow, but as well underneath the eye here. So people that get like the fine lines and the wrinkles under the eyes here, like I do, like that's really difficult to treat. It's really difficult to do anything about it. But the non-surgical eye lift will help with those areas as well as the crow's feet as well. Um, it's a good treatment. You need to do 3 of them spaced about a month apart to see like for the maximum effect. But it's absolutely fantastic for pretty much every skin type. Once you've had the 3 sessions, you shouldn't need to do any more. Like you will see the effect 3 months later and you'll be sorted. So it's really effective in that way. There's other treatments as well that are great for the eye area. Botox, of course, can be used for crow's feet to get rid of wrinkles like in these sort of areas, this sort of area here. Also like above the eyebrows and the forehead and between the eyes as well. You can use Botox there to stop the muscle movement. So you'll see a sort of a smoothing of the skin. So you're going to get a temporary effect from Botox that lasts like 3 to 4 months. Some people might get 6 months, but on average, probably 3 to 4 months would be what you could expect from that. If you're starting to see sort of not so much deep set wrinkles, then microneedling can be very effective to smooth out the skin, to resurface the skin, and for like a little bit of an exfoliation or a lighter touch. Not as invasive as the EndyBlef, but certainly still a very effective treatment for the first signs of aging around the eyes. Of course, all of these treatments are going to be enhanced by what you do yourself at home. So using the right kind of products, using a really good eye cream specific for your skin type is essential. And the number one eye cream that I've talked about before on videos is, of course, Elastoderm from Obagi. Absolutely amazing. Best eye cream you can buy. But there are other eye creams as well that will be more specific for specific concerns. So if you have a generalized concern with fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, even dark circles, the Obagi eye cream is the best. If it's more of a pigmentation concern, then maybe one of the Skin Brights might be better from Dermacrest. But certainly get in touch. We can point you in the right direction about what will be best for you. If you are considering any treatments, get in touch with us now. We can do an online consultation for you and we can assess your suitability and kind of talk about what the best options might be. And if there is anything you need to do beforehand, you'll be able to start preparing your skin now. Once we've done a consultation, it will mean as well that when we do come to offer the in-clinic treatments, you'll be able to get an appointment that little bit quicker. So listen, don't let stress get you down. If you are starting to see the effects, get in touch, ask what we can do to help, and we'll be happy to offer some advice. Good luck, everybody, and stay safe.